What is going on, everybody? It's your man Mike, back again with another video, Tech King on the Budget. And today I got the video that I told you guys I was going to drop after I dropped the S10 Plus video. I went to my local AT&T store, caught a really good banger of a sale. Currently sold out online right now, so you might want to check your local store. But I got the Galaxy Buds on deck, and I was able to pick these up for not their $129.99 price, but I was able to pick these up for 30 or 25% off. So I was able to get these earbuds for $105, tax tag and title out the door. So what we're going to do is we're going to unbox these headphones together. I've already opened them up, but I'm going to unbox them again for you guys on video so you can see what you get with the headphones. And once we do that, I'm going to show you guys how they look in my ears when I use them. And we're going to show the pairing process to the S10 Plus, where you're going to try to demo the wireless charging with the S10 Plus with the wireless power share, and we're gonna keep it moving from there. So hopefully if you guys like the video, you'll like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below, and I will be back in a second. So taking a look around the box, you got the buds on the front here, buds. Got the Galaxy Buds here. Now this is the almost actual size of the earbuds. They're extremely small. They're a lot smaller than they look. They kind of rival the AirPods in a way, but we'll save that for another video. Save that for another video. So we'll check out the back, and you see you got 6 hours of playtime. Packaging includes the earbud charging case, wingtips, earbud tip, USB-C cable, tuned by AKG. Now, what I do like about the fact is that these work with any Android phone, Android and iOS compatible, so I can even use these with my iPhone if I wanted to. Checking on the side of the box here, you see we got 6 hours of playtime, 7 hours with charging case, clear call and sound quality, wireless charging designed for comfort and stability. So let's pop these open. And like I said, you can see they're retailing for $129.99. I picked these up at my local AT&T store for approximately $104.77 out the door. So let's peel down the inside here where you got your user instruction manuals and everything. I'm going to pop this open just in case anybody's interested in what all comes with it. And that's pretty much it. That's all you really get with it. So nothing too crazy, nothing too special there. So we'll file that to the side. We'll file that to the side as well. And first things first, when you open up the box, you're going to see inside here that you get your USB-C cable along with all of your earbuds and extra wingtips and everything. I'm not going to pop this open for the fact that I lost one of these when I first opened the box before I started the video, and it took me a minute to find it. So I'll just show you guys here from the top so you can see you get all of your earbuds and extra wingtips and stuff in there. So I do like the fact that these have actual wingtips, makes them that much more accessible in my opinion, as opposed to the AirPods. And then, like I said, we'll take these out and we'll check these out. So these are the Samsung Galaxy Buds. So you can see tuned sound by AKG on the front there. It's a little hard to see, but that's pretty much what you get on the front. So when you open the earbuds up, immediately you're greeted by the two earbuds. Now I like the all black on these. I really do like the matte black on them. This looks really dope to me. And these are the earbuds themselves. So let's see if I can get it to focus in on here for you guys. So these are the earbuds themselves. And you can see you got your connector pins there for your charging. You got your ear tip there. Got your wing tip right here that you can remove if you want to. Got your touchpad right here as well. And I'm going to pull up my Galaxy S10 Plus, and I'm going to show you guys what it looks like when you connect them and pair them together, and we'll go from there. All right, guys, so I got the S10 Plus pulled up here, and I got the Galaxy Buds here in my left hand. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pop them open. And as you can see, when you pop them open, you get a prompt here at the bottom, very similar to what you get on the iPhone. I think that's really dope. So they're already connected automatically. Now, I'm going to turn the camera around and show you guys what these look like when they're in ear. I'm not going to be able to really demonstrate the touch gestures at the moment, just because it's kind of difficult for me to show you guys touching them while I'm showing it on the camera. I'll probably try to work on that for another video, so stay tuned for that. But for now, I'm going to demo the wireless power share to show you guys the wireless charging of the earbud case. So we'll tap wireless power share. We'll put it in the center of the phone, ready to charge. So let's see if it works through this speaking case that I have on here. And you heard the vibrate, and you see the red light. That is so dope. So you now have earbuds that can charge from the back of your phone. So what we'll do is we'll take it off one time. So you can see the earbud went off. You can hear the phone vibrated, and we'll do it one more time. Let's see, do I have to turn it back on? I may have to turn it back on. Okay. All right, so it says it's ready to charge. So that is so dope. We are now wirelessly charging the headphones from the phone. That's pretty dope. that's a game changer right there in my opinion. So, all right, guys. So that's pretty much a quick overview of the headphones. Let me show you what these look like in ear. Let me flip the camera.
See, I have the right earbud in my ear right now, and it's a very snug fit. I believe this is the medium-sized tip on the end of it, and it's pretty good in there. It's not coming out. I don't feel any kind of pressure in my ear for it to stay there. I really like how gentle it is as far as my ear goes. And I'm going to go ahead and pop the left one in so you guys can get an idea of what they look like when you wear both of them. And this is pretty much what you're going to get. Now, just to go through the touch controls really quickly, you do have the option to tap one time to tap it to start and play your music, play and pause your music. You do have the option to tap and hold for your Bixby or Google Assistant to pop up. You also have triple tap to go forward, triple tap to go backwards, and I believe you control the volume by swiping down or up, but I do know that there are different variations that you can use. There's even an option to set a specific app or a specific command if you tap it a certain type of way, and that's with either one. So you don't have to have both earbuds in to do that. You can do that with the left one if you wanted to, or you can do it with the right one if you wanted to. So it's really dope that Samsung kind of gave us in these headphones what we kind of wanted in AirPods. You know, I don't mind being able to say, hey Siri, or something like that when it comes to my devices, but it just kind of bugs me sometimes that in order for me to do simple things like change the song, I have to, you know, pull the phone out. It can be a little frustrating, but for the most part, I think Samsung really killed it with these Galaxy Buds. Now, I'm going to be testing these out for the next couple of days, and I'm going to probably wear them to the gym. I'm going to wear them while I'm driving, maybe wear them, you know, in my truck, because my truck can get pretty loud. So I want to see how the ambient noise feature works, where you can block out ambient noise or you can let it through. And I look forward to bringing you guys a video about it and let you guys know my experience with them over the last few days once I do that. So let me know in the comment below if you guys picked up the Galaxy Buds, or if you did the pre-order special and got the Galaxy Buds along with your S10, S10e, or S10 Plus. And I will see you guys in the next video. It's your man Mike, Tech King on a Budget. Peace.